Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do hard reset Xiaomi Redmi 8 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgotten their password, and before do hard reset make sure that your battery level must be 60% and above. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Okay, now press and hold power and volume up key for few seconds. Okay, it will send you in recovery. Now volume rocker to move up and down, and power button to select. Okay, now go to wipe data and select. Okay, now go to wipe all data and select. Okay, now here you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Okay, now go to confirm and select, and you can see now data is wiping, and you can see data wiped successfully. Okay, now back to main menu, and now reboot system and reboot to system. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Xiaomi Redmi 8 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.